everyone, my name is Rihanna and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the PNEX store on Amazon. It comes with a headband that's pink and black. This wig is a straight Brazilian blonde highlight bob. It's 12 inches, 150% density, and a 13x4 transparent straight lace front. It also has more blonde highlights in the back of the wig than in the front and sides of it. And the hair doesn't have a bad smell to it, but it smells like it's been sprayed with perfume or something. The wig is also soft, and I didn't get any shedding as I ran my fingers through it, but it looks like it has split ends and the wig is very thin. Again, this is a 13x4 transparent lace front. It's a medium-sized cap, about 22.5 inches, and it comes with 4 combs and 2 adjustable straps. And then I straighten the hair using my Remington flat iron on 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So the wig did straighten well. I had minimal shedding and the hair is nice and bouncy, but it's a bit staticky and has some flyaways. Then I put my wig cap on, cut the lace around the wig, put the wig on, and adjusted it to my liking. Once it was on, I did cut some more of the lace. And I used a small amount of this Got2b Ultra Glue gel to glue the front of the lace down. Then I sprayed some of this Got2b glued spray to hold the lace down as well and worked it in with my fingers. I also used the end of my comb to better secure the glue to the lace, and I decided to do a side part. So I went in with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, color 360, and a small makeup brush, and applied the foundation on my part and around the front of the lace to better blend the lace with my skin tone. Next, I used the Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade, my edge brush, and comb to do my baby hairs. And the wig did have a few small baby hairs, but you can always cut the hair to your liking, then style it. Then I used my hot comb on the highest heat setting to make the hair on top of the wig lay flatter. After that, I used this She Is Bomb hair wax stick to lay down those pieces of hair that were still sticking up. Lastly, I tied the edges of the wig down with my scarf. So guys, this is how the wig turned out. I think at first glance it's really cute. You see the contrast of the blonde highlights with the black hair and it looks nice. The part looks okay. But the hair is too thin for me, especially in the front and sides of the wig. But in the back, the wig looks more full. The cut of the hair is pretty even as well. I like how there's more blonde in the back of the wig. And the wig does feel comfortable with my head though. But let me know what you thought of the wig and if you'd wear it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.